Today's Gospel, Monday of the Holy Week, March 25, is from St. John, chapter 12, verse 1 to 11. 6 days before Passover, Jesus came to Bethany, where Lazarus was, whom Jesus had raised from the dead. They gave a dinner for him there, and Martha served, while Lazarus was one of those reclining at table with him. Mary took a liter of costly perfumed oil made from genuine aromatic nard and anointed the feet of Jesus and dried them with her hair. The house was filled with the fragrance of the oil. Then Judas Iscariot, one of the disciples, and the one who would betray him, said, "Why was this oil not sold for 300 days' wages and given to the poor?" He said this not because he cared about the poor, but because he was a thief and held the money bag and used to steal the contributions. So Jesus said, "Leave her alone. Let her keep this for the day of my burial. You always have the poor with you, but you do not always have me." The large crowd of the Jews found out that he was there and came, not only because of Jesus, but also to see Lazarus, whom he had raised from the dead. And the chief priests plotted to kill Lazarus too, because many of the Jews were turning away and believing in Jesus because of him. The Gospel of the Lord. Today's faithful reflection is from Brother Celton Sindo of the Hand of the Sower Catholic Community. What is the measure of love? The measure of love is to love without measure, according to St. Augustine. Palagay ko'y agree tayong lahat sa kilig at tipong pangslambok na katanungang ito. What is the measure of love? Sa Ebanghelyo, habang si Marta ay abalang-abala sa kanyang pag-estima kini Jesus, kumuha naman ng 1 litrong mamahaling pabango si Maria ang kanyang kapatid at masaganang ibinuhos ito sa mga paa ng Panginoon. Nagkakahalaga ito ng 175,000 sa kasalukuyang panahon. Kaya gayon na lang ang naging reaksyon ni Judas na kunway nanghihinayang sa inaakala niyang malaking pangwawaldas na naganap. Ngunit sa totoo, siya ay tusurero ng kanilang grupo dahil kinukupitan niya ang kanilang pondo. Sinaway tuloy siya ni Jesus sa pagsasabing hayaan lamang si Maria sa ginagawang hakbang dahil paglalaan niya ito para sa nalalapit niyang kamatayan. Mga mahal na araw ang panahong ito sapagkat dito niya lantarang pinatunayan ang hindi masusukat niyang pagmamahal para sa katubusan ng sanlibutan. Alam ninyo kung ano ang ipinagtubos sa inyo sa walang kabuluhang pamumuhay na inyong minana sa inyong mga magulang. Tinubos kayo hindi sa pamamagitan ng mga bagay na nasisira tulad ng ginto o pilak, kundi sa pamamagitan ng mahalagang dugo ni Kristo. Siya'y tulad ng korderong walang dungis at kapintasan. Ayon ito sa 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 18 to 19. Magandang pagnilayan sa mga panahong ito. Pinagkakaloob ko ba kay Jesus ang ubos kaya kong kakayahan o ang ibinibigay ko lang sa Kanya ay ang aking tira-tira? Manalangin tayo. Jesus, maialay nawa namin sa iyo ang pinakamainam bilang aming pagtugon sa walang sukat mong pagmamahal. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.